Hi guys, welcome to Chemistry 1 and your first full week of online. Just wanted to touch base with you and give you a few pieces of information about this week. Once we get used to it, I know it'll be a lot easier. But for now, when you look at the modules, if you'll just work sequentially through the lessons the way they're listed, that's how it's set up. You've got due dates on there to kind of keep you on track. But again, just want to remind you that the final due date for everything is Sunday at midnight. I do encourage you to keep working through before then. Don't wait till the last minute because we're going to be touching base through the week in those Zoom meetings. And so just as a reminder, your Zoom meetings are going to be on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday at 1 o'clock. You are expected to be in attendance at those. And so that's the time when we'll sort of go over your questions and see what's working for you, see what's not, excuse me, see what questions that you have, and then we'll just continue from there. So it is important that you're sort of working through and keeping up somewhat so you know what to talk about and what questions you have when we have the Zoom meetings. I do have office hours on Monday and Wednesday at 6 p.m. So as a reminder of that, also we talked about it in our first Zoom. But if you'll let me know if you want to attend those office hours, if nobody tells me that they want to be there, then I probably won't open those Zoom meetings. So just send me an email or send me a Canvas message that you're planning to be at office hours, and I'll send out a Zoom invitation to everybody for that. But just let me know if you plan on being there for office hours. So as far as this week goes, we're just going to be looking at some things that you're going to be using all the way through chemistry class and really other science classes too that you might take. The first unit or first lesson there is on metric units and metric conversions. I'm hoping that you know something about that already, so hopefully that won't take you very long. And then we're going to move into something called significant figures, which if you're like all the other chemistry classes I've ever had, you don't know anything about significant figures. You've never heard of it before. I'm going to try this. We'll see how it goes. But for these lessons, on the ones that are scheduled for Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm looking at my notes here, you're going to need a partner for this, or maybe 2 partners, or maybe even 3 partners. So we can work on doing that in the class Zoom meeting if you don't have partners. If you look at the class list and you saw somebody in the Zoom meeting on last Wednesday, and you know you want to work with them, that's fine. You guys can get together and decide what's going to work best for you. But you will need to partner up, pair up. Like I said, groups of no more than 4, I think, will work well for this. But these activities are called POGLs, and they work best if you've got more than one person trying to work through that. You theoretically could do it on your own, but it really is designed to be something that you can talk over with your group. And we can, address questions from those in our Zoom meetings as well. So hope you're getting off to a good start. As always, if you need anything from me, send me a message. Don't, sit there for 2 days and be stuck. Just let me know what you need and I'll try to help you out as best I can. Information about how to contact me is on the homepage. If it's a tech issue, I probably won't be too much help, but there's information on the Canvas homepage of how to get in touch with their help desk. They're the guys that know the stuff, and so don't hesitate to get in touch with them. That's what they're there for. They're there to help you out. So good luck as you start out with this class and all of your other classes, and let me know how I can help you. I'll see you soon.